In this video, we'll solve next question of exercise 6.1, that is question number 6. Okay, see what the question is. It is given that xyz is equals to angle xyz is 64 degrees and xy is produced to the point P. Draw the figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, then find angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. Okay, till point P it is produced. Now we have to draw the figure. Figure is not given in the question. We have to draw from the figure from the given information from the question. Okay, see XYZ was 64 degrees and XY was produced to point P. So this is XYP straight line, and it is also given that YQ, ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So we'll draw a ray YQ which will bisect angle ZYP. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find angle XYQ, measure of angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. Okay, reflex of angle QYP means this angle. Reflex of QYP will be this angle. Okay, starting from here to this end. Okay, now see what we'll do first. We'll write what is the given things in the question. Given is angle XYZ is 64 degrees and YQ bisects angle ZYP. YQ bisects angle ZYP. It means what? If this is the bisector of this angle ZYP, then angle ZYQ will be equal to angle QYP, and these two angles will be half of angle ZYP. Okay, means if YQ is a bisector of angle ZYP, then angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP, and these two angles will be half of angle ZYP. Okay, now see, and also what we have to find? We have to find angle XYZ. Oh, sorry, XYQ. XYQ, measure of this angle we have to find, and reflex of QYP. Reflex of QYP. This is QYP, so reflex of QYP will be this. Okay. Now see the solution. As XYP is a straight line, we can see clearly here that XYP is a straight line. Then sum of the two angles, sum of this XYZ and ZYP will be what? 180 degrees by linear pair of angles. Okay, so we know the measure of angle XYZ. So angle ZYP will be what? 180 minus 64, because XYZ is 64. So we'll transpose the 64 to LHS, so it will become minus 64. Okay, so ZYP is what? Measure of ZYP. Measure of ZYP means this angle is 116. Okay, and it is also given in the question that YQ bisects angle ZYP. YQ is bisecting angle ZYP. It means ZYQ, this angle and this angle will be equal, and both the angles will be half of ZYP. So if ZYP is 116, so half of ZYP will be 58 degrees. Okay, so measure of ZYQ, this angle, measure of QYP, this angle is 58 degrees. Okay, this is 58 degrees. Now we got half of the angle ZYP. Now what we have to find? See, XYQ. So clearly from the figure we can see that XYQ is the sum of XYZ and ZYQ. ZYQ we have found. We have got the value of ZYQ. ZYQ is 58. Okay, so XYQ is equals to XYZ plus angle ZYQ, that is 64 plus 58. So 64 plus 58 is 122. One of the value we have found, which was asked in question to find. Next, see, we have to find reflex of angle QYP. To find the reflex of angle QYP, we should know what is the measure of angle QYP. And measure of angle QYP we have found, it is 58 degrees. We have calculated already. It is 58 degrees. Now, reflex of QYP will be this angle. Okay, means reflex of QYP will be complete angle minus actual angle QYP. Actual angle QYP is 58 degrees. So reflex of angle QYP will be given by 360 minus angle QYP, which is 58 degrees. Okay, so 360 minus 58 degrees is 302 degrees. So reflex of QYP, if this is QYP, so if its reflex will be this angle, and this angle is 302. So reflex of angle QYP is 302 degrees. Okay, so with this question we have completed exercise 6.1. For 3 questions I am providing videos, and rest of the questions and examples related to exercise 6.1 I have explained in the live class. Okay, so go through all the questions given in the exercise and example also. Okay.